I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the Ps5 is updated and you're signed in as the family organizer or the account you'll change. Go to Settings, then Family and Parental Controls. This gets you to the control layer quickly. Once done, select Manage Family Members to view linked child accounts or add child if needed. You do this now because parental rules attach to accounts. Establishing the right organizer prevents later permission conflicts and saves time when you apply restrictions. Now you'll modify the specific restriction types. Choose the child account and open parental controls to set age-level game limits and restrict mature content. This blocks inappropriate titles automatically. Next, adjust communication and user-generated content settings so your child can't chat or see risky content. Then set spending limits and require passcodes for purchases. Make custom title exceptions if a game is misrated. You do this because blanket ratings sometimes misclassify multiplayer or DLC. Finish by creating a strong 4-digit passcode and confirming the family organizer settings. You need that passcode to change or bypass rules later. Sign into the child account and try launching a blocked game or making a purchase to verify restrictions take effect. If something fails, make sure the Ps5 system software is current, the account is correctly linked as child, and the console has synced with Sony servers. If sync fails, restart the console and router. Often that resolves permission mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.